Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta coolant leak issues and what may be causing them based on commonly documented and verified information. A coolant leak in the Ford Fiesta generally refers to the loss of engine coolant from the cooling system, which can result in low coolant warnings, engine overheating, or visible fluid under the vehicle. Verified data shows this concern has been observed across multiple Fiesta model years with variation depending on engine design mileage and maintenance history. One verified cause category involves cooling system hoses and connections. Over time, coolant hoses may degrade, develop cracks, or loosen at connection points, which can allow coolant to escape. Radiator-related issues are another documented cause. In some cases, radiator tank seams or fittings may deteriorate, leading to slow or sudden leaks. The coolant reservoir and its cap have also been identified in verified service information as potential leak points when seals weaken or plastic components age. After understanding these documented causes, it is important to clarify that this video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors may include water pump seal wear or gasket-related seepage. These factors are not present in every vehicle but could be related depending on engine configuration and service history. In certain situations, cooling system pressure issues may contribute to leaks becoming more noticeable, though this depends on overall system condition. General guidance for addressing coolant leaks usually involves a pressure test of the cooling system to locate the source, followed by repair or replacement of the affected component. Verified owner feedback trends indicate that outcomes vary, with some leaks resolved through hose or reservoir replacement, while others require more extensive inspection depending on age and usage. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta coolant leak issues do not stem from a single cause and may differ by model year, engine type, and prior maintenance. Proper diagnosis is essential to ensure effective repair and prevent further engine damage. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.